we talk about how can you fix this problem or know how you can do that on your Amazon Photos app. So all you have to do, so you just click here on settings here. We just click on settings, it's going to show for you list like this here. Then you go down, just keep going down, you click here on apps here. So then you come here to apps list, then all you have to do, so in here can you search for Amazon Photos, just click on it here or just click on search. Then here at Amazon Photos, just click on it. So then it's going to take you to this list, click on for stop, click on OK. Then you go down, just click on storage, come to storage list here, just click on clear cache. Then all you have to do now, so you just go to your Play Store, click on it here. In here you search here for Amazon Photos app, it's going to show for you like this. You will find here update, click on it, then it's going to work with you. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking